Alright, let's get into it. Everyone's asking, is the CMF Phone 3 Pro a real game changer, or is there more hype than substance? First off, yes, the CMF Phone 3 Pro is legit. It's not a scam. But, as of April 2026, it's still in pre-launch. The big official reveal's coming soon, probably late April or May. Now here's what's actually cool about this phone. CMF's finally ditching the cheap plastic and going premium. We're talking a metal frame. The processor's getting a serious upgrade too, Snapdragon 7's Gen 4, which means you're looking at up to 50% better GPU performance. Display? Massive 6.81-inch AMOLED, buttery smooth 120Hz refresh, and get this, peak brightness up to 3500 nits. That's wild, even if you're out in the sun. Camera setup? Triple rear system, a 50mm main with OIS, a 50mm telephoto, and an 8mm ultra-wide. For a mid-ranger, that's honestly impressive. Battery's big too, 5500 mAh with fast 45-watt charging, and it's likely shipping with Nothing OS 4.1 based on Android 16, so you're set on the software side. So, what's the price tag? In India, it's expected to launch at about $24,990 for the 8GB 128GB. Globally, expected to land around $290 to $340. Not bad at all for what's inside. But heads up, don't buy from random sellers just yet. Some folks got scammed with weird stuff like cat food cans. Seriously, always go through the official CMF or Nothing site, or a trusted retailer. And if you're in the US, double-check 5G compatibility. These phones don't always play nice with Verizon or AT&T bands. Quick tip, if you can't wait, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is already out and packs some similar Pro features. So, is the CMF Phone 3 Pro worth the hype? I'd say for the price, it's set to shake up the mid-range scene. Just make sure you're buying